Friends, Running Kimono here. So this is a really superb deal to get some very inexpensive Axe body wash. It'll be like next to nothing after everything is said and done, and we're going to go through the math. So initially, I saw this deal this morning on social media, and I'm like, I can't do it because I don't have the Fetch Rewards rebates. But a friend of mine who also makes Walgreens content, Karen, coupon gratis, shout out and special thank you to Karen, because Karen was like, no, let me walk you through this deal. Just go buy this stuff, photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app, kind of take a leap of faith, and then the rebate will automatically pop up only at Walgreens when you buy 2 of these body washes. And I was like, are you sure about that? And she's like, yeah, give it a shot. And she's like, worst case, I mean, you can always return it. She's like, but it's definitely worth giving it a shot. So I was like, oh, you know what, Karen? I'm going to take you up on this. I'm going to give it a shot. So that's what I did. So let me just walk you through the deal, but shout out and thank you to her because I just didn't think I could do the deal. And then it worked out perfectly for me. For this deal, guys, you got to go in the body wash section at your local Walgreens and grab 4 body washes. Now, the body wash and the shampoo look identical, like the packaging. So if you go and pick it up in the shampoo aisle, you're going to be mistaken because even though the bottles are the same, it's what's written on the body wash that matters. So they are $5.49. You're going to grab 4 of them. They are on a buy one, get one 50% off. And I think as a curbside pickup, this is like $7.49. This is a weird product. It's more online than it is in store. So I don't really understand that. But we're grabbing 4 of them. And remember, look at the actual packaging to ensure that it says body wash because all the packaging looks identical for Axe for whatever reason. In your Walgreens app, you're going to be looking for this digital coupon, which is a $2 off of 2. So please make sure you have this guy loaded. We're also going to grab one of these St. Ives body washes. Well, why are you grabbing one of these body washes? That's an excellent question. There's a promotion on various like beauty care items that when you spend $20, you're going to get back a $5 register reward. Just to show you the tag, this is also part of it. As this is a spend offer, I would use your debit card to pay down the balance to ensure that this guy prints because it's Walgreens and they love those rules. You know how that is. So just to ensure there's no funny business. Now over on your Fetch Rewards account, this was the only rebate that I saw, which was $1.50 back on the purchase of one of these St. Ives body washes. So this is over today, guys, as per this, but sometimes Fetch extends this. So if you could run out ASAP and go do this deal right away, because today's the 11th, it was still working for me a little after 1:30 this afternoon, but you know how it is. Just double, triple check that you have this one. So this worked, no problems, no issues. And when I photographed my receipt, this also showed up, which is I got $6 back for every 2 that I bought. And as I bought 4, I got $12 back. So booyah, that's kind of magic and awesome. And then I also got back 1,500 points for buying the St. Ives. So that's like $13.50, which is really fantastic. I know some of you are going to want to look at the fine print, but as Karen described, it's when you photograph 2 of these, this will pop up. And as you can see, the expiry date is today, which is the 11th. Sometimes they extend this, but will it be extended? Guys, I can't really tell you definitively yay or nay. I would get out today, Tuesday the 11th, and do this deal if you're on a lunch break or after work, or if you just have a desire to get out to the store, by all means. So looking at the math for this, 4 of those Axe body washes on a BOGO 50% off is $16.47. One St. Ives is $3.99 for a grand total of $20.46. We have the $2 digital coming off. You're going to pay $18.46 with your debit card and then get back a $5 store register reward, $13.50 back from the Fetch Rewards app. It is my birthday, so I got an extra $2 back as well. So in Walgreens cash for this purchase. So it made it free plus a $2 moneymaker for me. And if you do not have kind of booster to go with this, it's just going to be a freebie or really cheap. So if you are about taking a leap of faith and you want to give this a whirl over at Walgreens, by all means I would do it and do it ASAP. And just to show you the printout of the $5 store coupon, boom, here it is. So how wonderful is this deal? And again, guys, I didn't see the rebate in the Fetch Rewards app when I would type in Axe or whatever. You have to photograph your receipt and then it will pop up, and that's what happened for me. So good luck. Move on this one ASAP. What a superb deal. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.